We are continuing with lesson 17, 298 to 301. Description of Charon. Portitor has horrendus aqua set flumina servat, terribilis squalore Charon, cui plurimamento canities inculte jacet, stant lumina flamma, sordidus ex humeris nodo dependet amictus. Portitor. Portitor means a ferryman. It can also mean a customs official in a harbor. Think of the word portus, as in harbor. Also porto means to carry. So he carries people across. And so Charon's the one who decides, who's going to go across and who's not, based on if they had the proper funeral rites and all that. So he does have this air of a customs official too, letting certain things into the underworld and certain things not. Portitor, the ferryman, and he's down here, Charon. Vergil doesn't mention his name for a bit, which adds a nice effect. So those go together. The ferryman, servat, preserves or protects, keeps watch over. Servat is our verb. He keeps watch over has aquas, these waters, et flumina, and rivers. Those are the accusatives. And I made a mistake here. I didn't mention horrendus is also nominative, goes with portitor. Not just the ferryman, but this horrifying ferryman keeps watch over these waters and rivers. And then this is ablative describing Charon, in terrible filth. And then lastly his name, Charon. So maybe in English we might say this horrendous or horrifying ferryman, Charon, keeps watch over these waters and rivers in horrible filth or in terrible filth. Some more description of him. Cui plurimamento canities inculta jacet. To whom, this is a dative of possession here, to whom, we're going to describe a feature of Charon, to whom there lies, jacet, there lies, plurima, much, canities, inculta. Those all go together. To whom there lies much unkept, uncultivated, think here, unkept grayness or white hair, white or gray hair. Canus means white, as in white hair, white. So to whom there lies very much unkept white hair, very much shagginess. And where? Mento, that's ablative. Mento, on his chin. So you could say in mento, on his chin. One more time. To whom there lies very much unkempt whiteness or white hairedness on his chin. This is referring to his beard. And by the way, since kinities is feminine, then plurima and inculta are also feminine. And keep in mind, this is a feminine singular. It has an es, so it looks a little bit like it's plural, but it's not. Also, in our video before, that gurges, that's also singular. That's in line 296. It looks plural, but it's not. It's also a singular. Stant lumina flamma. His lumina, his lights, really his eyes is what this means. His eyes stand, and this is an ablative here, flamma. The A is long, making it ablative. With flame, shows that his eyes kind of pop up because there's flame behind them. So that's a very vivid image, I think, that Vergil creates there. Stant lumina flamma. His eyes stand with flame. Sordidus ex humeris nodo dependit amictus. His dirty cloak. Okay, so these go together here. Dirty cloak. Dependit hangs ex humeris from his shoulders, ablative with the preposition ex, and another ablative, nodo, in a knot. And this distinguishes him as a pilot of a boat because rather than having a brooch that holds his cloak on, it's knotted. And I understand this was the custom in Roman times that they would have their cloak knotted. So it's part of his costume. His dirty cloak hangs down, dependit, from his shoulders in a knot, meaning knotted at the shoulders.